So get ready with me. Today I have to host a class with my wig making class. If you're unfamiliar, I make wigs on the sewing machine and I teach classes. So I'm finna put on this wig and I'm using this Continuous Grace hair growth oil. See, by now y'all should know, before you put on a wig, make sure your hair is moisturized. That's the key to a protective hairstyle. So I'm gonna make sure I moisturize it with that hair growth oil. Then I'm gonna place on my wig cap, and I'm gonna be using I'm wearing my wig glueless, okay? So I'm not using glue, but I am gonna be using an adhesive. I'm using the ORS olive oil gel. Now I love this stuff. The wig grip gel, that's what it is. So I use this, I place it in front of my hairline because, as you know, you do not want your edges to be falling out because you got some adhesive tacked down to it. So I place it in front of it, and then we gonna put on a wig. So I actually made this wig. This was a 30-inch deep wave wig that I'll be wearing. And y'all can check out my website, tianablanco.com, for any wigs. But I do not like putting glue on my edges, on my hairline, only because the glue is meant for a longer hold. Me personally, I do not wear my wigs long enough to have on no glue. I will be taking the glue on and off every night. So I'm just going to be using that wig grip gel because it's easy to remove and easy to put on. So yes, I'm wearing this deep wave wig because I'm feeling like a little Puerto Rican mommy, you know.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo.
Now, look, I need this shit to at least stay on for a few hours, so I'm gonna be using this elastic band just to place on that hairline because it's gonna tack it down and make sure that it is melted, period. But lately, I just been feeling like, blah. I just been feeling sort of lazy, only because YouTube, like, I love TikTok, I love Instagram, and I love YouTube. But YouTube requires way longer edits, and I'm only getting just a few hundred views. Like, I did not spend time, 12 hours editing, and you just got 50 views. Like, hell no. So I'm just trying to get back into my YouTube and, you know, just kind of trying to be consistent and engage with more of my subscribers on here because I do a lot of that on my TikTok and my Instagram. So, long story short, that just means show a bitch some love, okay? Be glamming up because, like I said, I got a class to host, which means that cameras will be on me, which means that I need to look ready for these cameras. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. I'm doing a nice natural beat, nothing more, nothing less. I just like a nice natural beat. I don't like over the top or when my face is super caked up. It's not that type of event, so I'm keeping it cute.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Waking up, now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. I'll take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time, we're making up time. The time you wasn't really waking up. Now you never said I couldn't let you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you loved you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth. I'll take you there, I'll take you there.
So now that my makeup is done, the wig is laid. Now finesse the hairline. So I'm taking my slick stick. This is one of my products. I absolutely love it because it just does what it needs to do. You place it onto your edges and then you use a hot comb. We want it to the hottest temperature. And then we gonna smooth it out. Like basically it's just gonna give it that nice sleek, flat look that we all want to go for when we wearing a wig. So I told y'all this is 30 inches full of deep wave hair. So now I gotta like spray this down and use some conditioner to like maintain it because this wig is so old. I don't really wear it, so I kind of got it out the bag, my wig bag, which is filled to the top. And I'm just gonna like revive it because right now it's probably like a lot of tangles in it. And it looks very dry. So I'm going to be taking some water in my spray bottle. And then I'm going to place on some leave-in conditioner to help with this curls. So it's a leave-in conditioner like a curling cream. And for deep wave curly hair, that's what I like to use because it just enhances the curls. Curls for the girls.